Which of these is a better ceremony? One where you are all out as a family, stood around a nice bonfire, looking at the crackling fire, watching up into the sky as everything goes, ooh, oh, lovely, wonderful. As kids are waving sparklers around and drawing lights in the sky. Is that a nicer festival? Or the concept of greedy fat kids coming up the driveway asking for fun size Milky Ways and Mars bars. And if you don't give it to them, they'll key your car as they walk back down the driveway, having scared you with some nasty mask. And toddlers going to sleep crying because they think they're a real ghosts and ghoulies.